Greyhound bird attack very quickly. When hunting greyhound bird, do not see how big the prey is. No matter how big the prey is, greyhound birds do not prey. How big a fish hunts and plays in very short time. Here the greyhound bird hunts a frog. Such a big frog swallow take in an instant. The frog stays quietly by the waterfall to hunt. Suddenly a small fish catches up very quickly. Take a closer look at the knife here. Here it stands silently to hunt. Suddenly he jumped into the water and picked up a fish. The nighthawk bird has a caught a big fish. Take a look at this brave because of how it stands in front of a crocodile. The crocodile was fishing here. Maybe the bird is standing to snatch the fish from the crocodile. But after waiting for a long time, could not catch any fish.